I have never forsaken the righteous, and my care enfolds those who trust in me. Your heart's deepest longings will be met in the fullness of my perfect timing.
Psalm 37:26. Have you ever questioned whether God truly provides for you? The notion of divine provision can often be misunderstood, leading us to doubt God's promises when facing challenges. Yet there is a promise woven throughout Scripture that assures us of a loving hand guiding our path, covering our needs with grace and abundance. When we align our hearts with diligent obedience, we open ourselves to the waves of divine blessings that usher into our lives, even when we least expect them.
When you give of yourself faithfully and with purpose, you create a channel through which God's abundance flows. Every act of diligent labor, every prayer lifted in faith, contributes to a tapestry of your life that is rich with opportunities. You are encouraged today to continue pressing forward, for your efforts are being noticed. The seeds you've sown with love and determination are maturing beneath the surface, and soon the fruits of your labor will emerge, surpassing your current expectations, filled with transformational blessings.
It's important to remember that God's provision does not always manifest in the way we anticipate. Sometimes it appears as a gentle whisper within our spirit, guiding us and encouraging us to remain steadfast. It is through obedience that we learn to trust His ways, which are higher than our own. Stay rooted in what is right and true, for in His nurturing light, you will discover unexpected pathways that lead to abundance and joy. Grasp the understanding that your dedication today can yield a plentiful harvest in due season, even while it may feel delayed.
As you embark on this journey of diligence, keep in mind the beauty of gradual growth. The orchard of provision takes time to mature. Each day that you choose to act faithfully, you are crafting a future filled with possibility. Just as the sun rises with certainty, let this be a reminder: God's timing is perfect. Embrace the moments when you feel unseen. Your season of struggle is temporary and not unnoticed by the Lord. Encouragement is on the horizon.
When life's demands seem overwhelming, remember to pause and reflect on the goodness that surrounds you. Your heart's desires are cherished, and God hears every whispered prayer. Look around at the blessings, often cloaked in everyday simplicities. Even the act of being present with loved ones is a sweet reminder of God's abundance. Reassurance comes when we allow ourselves to notice the little miracles unfolding around us, which serve to build our faith further. As we walk this path of faith together, recognize that each challenge you encounter is an opportunity for growth. Trials often reveal the depth of God's promises, reminding us that His plans endure. You are not alone in your struggles. There's a greater purpose unfolding. The journey may seem lengthy, but know that your perseverance today prepares you for the joy that is yet to come.
As you cultivate diligence in your life, lean heavily into the assurance that God is your provider. The blessings you seek are being positioned, often in ways that exceed your wildest dreams. Keep pushing through, for with each step and commitment, you're paving a new path lined with abundance. Remember that your faithfulness today shapes the rewards of the future that are coming your way. Standing firm in God's promises secures your heart against doubt and fear. The love you invest in your work, your relationships, and your faith will yield a harvest of hope and joy. As you remain in obedience, trust that your spiritual journey is about to shift dramatically. Open your heart and mind to the many ways in which God can enrich your life. You are so close to experiencing a breakthrough. The best is indeed yet to come.